What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You already know my name is James Jernigan. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you can catch my upcoming content. But anyways, today I just want to tell you guys real quick about something I learned from scammers of all people on Facebook about how to make content go viral and get a lot of eyes on your content quickly. And this has to do with groups. I'm sure you guys are already part of Facebook groups. If you're not, start joining some groups, because there's a lot of attention in those groups and a lot of people you can turn on to your products or services. But anyways, once you get inside these groups, and this will work on your private Facebook wall too, but you might not want to annoy your followers with this type of thing. Anyways, what you're going to want to do is create some kind of eye-catching image or infographic. And once you do that, you want to put an overlay of your URL or link to whatever it is you're trying to promote, whether it's your eBay store, your Poshmark account, your Facebook profile, your Instagram profile, your YouTube, your band, your side business, maybe you wash cars or clean houses, whatever it is. You're going to want to put a link on that image, and this image can be, it can be a meme, it can be an infographic, really anything that's going to stop people from scrolling so that they see your URL for a second. But the key part to making this go viral and getting a lot of eyes on it fast is when you post in these groups, you can either make the text inside the image say this, or you can write a caption that says this, but ask people to share their links, because what does everyone want to do when they're on social media? They want to promote themselves, obviously, especially in groups. People spam groups with links, and that's kind of how I figured this out, because I would see the same scammers over and over and be like, how are these guys getting so much eyes on their content? And I realized they all ask people to comment, essentially, but if you just say drop a comment or something like that, a lot of times your posts will get marked as spam. So what you can do is say something like, hey, I'm looking for people that make websites. If you make websites, drop a link down below. Or who can help me with this business idea? Drop a link to your best consultant. And everybody wants to share their products or their services, so you're going to get 100 people dropping their link. And while you might not care about looking at those links, they might be spam, it doesn't matter what they are. The fact is, every time someone comments, it's going to bump your post up in the algorithm, and the more people comment, the higher your post is going to show up in that group. So a lot of these groups have 50, 100,000, 200,000, a million people in them. And if your post makes it to the top of that group, that's an awful lot of eyes on your content for free. So I'm really hoping this helps you guys out, whether you're making websites or whether you're promoting your eBay store or your Poshmark or whatever it is that you do. I hope this gets your content out there. And if you appreciated me sharing this tip with you, go ahead and leave a like. You already know what it is. Subscribe if you're not already down below, and I'll catch you next time.